just discovered fire in a gold mine. Larry Williams money flow indicator. I can't believe I haven't started using this sooner. I don't know if I had a brain fart or aneurysm or what, but I finally set up the scan off of crypto Williams money flow when it hits 100x on the indicator. Especially on TD sequential, looks like you hit the 100 here. Now you're on a 6 count here, so the reason tells wait for the 9. Most likely, you gotta buy perfection setup. This little triangle, green triangle down here. You can see perfectly off the 100. Wait for the 9 count. Could buy in at the end of the day. Very next day, you got 1.2%. You can't retire off of that, but you could dollar cost average on this sideways action, just buy a little bit at the end of the close of every day until your 1 bar up registers and closes at the end of the day and registers a 1 count. Most likely, you're going to start an up count for at least 4 to 9 days, most of the time. Nothing works perfect every time, but like Larry says, nothing works 100% of the time. But Larry's money flow somehow tracks the big buyers, probably tracks the large block orders, I'm guessing. There's no way to change the parameters or length, overbought, oversold. There's really no way to change anything or tell how he does it, but I'm sure you could hire a computer code person. They could figure it out, but who knows? Larry may divulge it for free on a video somewhere. But so I ran this scan. I run it back 18 days. When this hit. Just all right. Indicator EOS. It went 2 days sideways at 100. You got your 9, you want your 10 bar, next 1 bar up 1.5. Then your 2 bar went up 6.5. That one kind of flat, 8.8% there. Now your 5th bar kind of topped out. You could have held for the 6, 7 high, hit pretty much at this risk zone of 77 cents, but man, I can't believe I missed this. Especially getting close to a 913 on a daily chart. That's money. Here's a ETH BTC. You got sand. Sand moves. When it moves, it moves. You got big money coming in right here off of this probably SEC news, June 10th. Dump. You had a 913. Hit 100 again right there. Next day, up 1.7, 1.3, 1.6, flat, a little bit down, almost 1% right there, almost 3.5%, 4.9, just slowly going up and away. To a perfect 9 count. Wow. It doesn't get, and also you get this 0 right here. I'd probably take profits. When this thing hits a 0, you could hold for another day or two, but most time I see, especially if you get a blow off, anywhere from a 6, if really 5 to an 8, 9, take the money, take the profit, I think. Unless you're in a super bull market halving year like 2021 or whatever, that's easy money right there. I can't believe I missed this, but probably works weekly too, I'm guessing. I don't know. Looks like it's sand on a weekly. Man, I wish it would work better on a rescale. Here we go. 100 on a weekly, 13.9. Beautiful. Now Larry says when this goes below this 74 zone, this red line is set at a 74. The next week was a 9. Now that was an up week. Went up 27% in 1 week. Oh my God. Oh, I can't believe I missed it. What am I doing? But that's begging you to buy that. You gotta buy that. Sunday at 7 p.m. or whatever, I guess that was January, so that'd have been 6 p.m. into the trading day for crypto. Next week, 46%. The next week, another 12% pretty much. Oh, yeah. Finally hit your target at the red zone. This buy TDST. I think that stands for, Tom DeMark sequential trend. I think is what it stands for. I have to look that up, but I think that's support resistance. Wow, finally hit the target of 86.5 or so, but right here's your zero. You could have took profit there. You're close to your zero line. What is that? That's a 26 actually oversold. You never actually hit your zero yet, so that would have kept you in the trade. Now you didn't do that great after your high in February, but let's look at mana here on a daily. Beautiful 913. How did I miss this? Oh my God, I can't believe I missed this. So here's your crossover. But you hit your 100 a couple times here. Your 9 wasn't there. You had it right here. Wait for your, dollar cost average, price bar flip, 1 bar. Next day, almost 1%. Next day, 3.5%. Next day, 6%. Trail up, Dude, that is money. Get close right here to your zero. You hit a 3.9 on their 6 bar. Maybe hold 1 or 2 more bars. Take profit on a blowout. Look for this, dash. I love this TD sequential. I think it's propulsion that gives you these targets, these price targets. I love this thing. It's expensive, but it's worth every penny. If it gets you close, 44, it hit a high of 43, real close. You could have took a 40, could have rounded down to 42, 40, You got that all day long. I sold off after your blow-off day, which it usually does on crypto. I haven't traced it on stocks, but so anyway, this works like just printing money here. This last one. Oh, 913, beautiful around the 15th. Just begging to buy that. Hi. Well, my daughter just got home from daycare. I better end this video.